So Bitcoin's success was largely due to timing. So on the 3rd of January 2009, the London Times ran a cover story titled "Chancellor on the Brink of Second Bailout for Banks." So this is the Times article. So this piece of text here was actually locked into Bitcoin's Genesis block by its creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was released at a time when governments and central banks' ability to safely store money was facing serious questions. And the events of the '08 crisis meant people's faith in the governments and banks to adequately perform their functions were shattered. And the crisis caused people to ask, what do banks actually do with our money? So Nakamoto has also said the root problem with conventional currency is all the trust that's required to make it work. So the core idea behind Bitcoin is it allows people to send money safely over the internet without the need for a central authority or to guarantee or oversee their transactions. So it allows anyone, anywhere in the world to make and receive payments without a bank. The invention of Ethereum and the rise of Web3 has enabled the vision of digital currencies to reach even further, which enables not just the buying and selling of this like magic internet money, but also the ability to program it to do what you want. So a data affixed to the Bitcoin network transactions are generally only for keeping notes, like not dissimilar to like a bookkeeping ledger that you would have at the moment. But on the other hand, transactions on Ethereum can contain executable code which runs every time a transaction is made.